Where do I see myself in 10 years? I see myself as Abby Schwito, but a medical examiner. She's so quirky and she always stays true to herself and her own style while continuing to work towards justice in the science field. She keeps her personality where she works even though she works in a lab, and that's something I really admire. But I'll be working with bodies instead. Science is the application of science to criminal and civil laws. Forensic scientists collect, preserve, and analyze scientific evidence during the course of an investigation. While some forensic scientists travel to the scene to collect the evidence themselves, others occupy a purely laboratory role, performing analysis on objects brought to them by other individuals. In addition to the laboratory role, forensic scientists testify as expert witnesses both in criminal and civil cases, and can work either for the prosecution or the defense. A medical examiner is a medically qualified officer whose duty is to investigate deaths and injuries that occur under unusual or suspicious circumstances, to perform post-mortem examinations, and in some jurisdictions, initiate inquests. A medical examiner's duties may vary depending on location. Typically, medical examiner duties include investigating human organs like the stomach, liver, and brain, determining cause of death, issuing death certificates, maintaining death records, responding to deaths and mass disasters, identifying unknown dead, or performing other functions depending on local law. In some jurisdictions, a coroner performs these and other duties. Within the United States, there's a mixture of coroner and medical examiner systems, and in some states, dual systems. The requirements to hold office vary widely between jurisdictions.